What's up guys, it's your boy WhiteDesku, and today we're going to be reviewing the Hyken Ergonomic office chair. I found this chair for like $159 on Staples. Yes, Staples. But let me get into the pros and cons of this chair. So to start with the pros, this chair feels very comfortable for one of the most and probably the only comfortable chairs I've ever sat my butt in.
What do you mean?
And it's been very comfortable on my back because I stream on YouTube. By the way, go subscribe to the channel if you want to see my live streams. I stream pretty much every week, any time of the week. So if you want to see my YouTube streams, just subscribe to my channel, WhiteDesku, and yeah. But yes, this chair for one has one of the best back support I've ever felt in any chair. With me streaming as long as I do, this chair has not hurt my back at all. I've had this chair for almost 2 months now, and I've been very satisfied with how comfortable it is. So that's the first pro. The ergonomic design is definitely awesome. There's a lot of other chairs that actually look pretty much like this one. I'll link those chairs in the link in the description below if you want to check them out. They're a little bit more pricey in this chair, but if you are interested in these brands, and who knows, probably you want to get them. If you want to get them, go right ahead. But this being a random chair I found on Staples, it's pretty freaking good. The next thing I want to really list as a pro is literally the back of the headstand. So if I like pull this thing back, it actually helps my neck a whole lot. Very good, not bad at all. I usually just basically use this when I need to put my head back, or if I'm putting my chair back, which I do quite a lot often on my stream. Third and final pro I want to add is just how basically the chair works. It's very simple. All you need to do really is just use the paddles literally on the left or right side. The left side is how you go down and go up. You just have to make sure you apply pressure to the back of the chair here, and when you do that, you'll be able to go back, forth, and if you want to go up and down on the chair, all you do is just do this, boom, short, now I'm tall. That's pretty much all the pros. In terms of cons, there's only one con I have for this chair, and that's honestly it's just the build quality of the chair. So I wish it was like completely metallic, but you know, it's some of it's plastic. It's fine. Like the little armrests here are very comfortable and whatnot, but I just wish it was like pretty much an all metal chair. That's just me. You guys will probably disagree with me in the comments. That's fine. It's just my own personal preference when it comes to office chairs. But you know, there's more pros and cons when it comes to this. Honestly, I am not sponsored by Staples at all to make this video. I just wanted to make this video because I really feel like this is probably one of the best chairs for streaming. And like I said, there's other chairs out there that look exactly like this. They are more expensive, but I think this is the only one I really found personally that's this cheap and look this good. So if you want to check this chair out, link in the description below. From Staples, where I exactly bought this at. Hopefully it's still on sale. If not, then it's probably gonna be $200 for this chair, but it's worth it. It's actually one of the best chairs I've ever used for streaming, and it might be your next chair for streaming as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, comment down below if you see this chair before on YouTube. Have you seen this chair before on YouTube? If so, you probably already know about this chair already. Probably it's dope, probably it's not dope for you. It's your own decision if you want to buy this chair. Make sure you hit that sub button. We're almost at 2K subs. I appreciate everybody for subscribing and supporting me this year. It's been awesome, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. And also shout out to my boy 5. Go use code 5 at G Fuel. See, because I'm wearing a G Fuel outfit.